guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and today I'm gonna share a makeup look which is totally inspired by the actress Tamanna Bhatia. So ये काफ़ी सूदिंग और सेक्सी है. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो then please like and subscribe my channel or let me know in the comment section that how it looks. So let's get started. Alright, so first product that I'm gonna use is Lactocalamine Face Moisturizer. This one is best for oily and acne prone skin. I think it is available in 3 variant, but here that I'm using is good for oily one. After applying moisturizer, I'm gonna apply primer. Here I'm using the Swiss Beauty primer. Mainly primer is used to create a smooth surface on your face before adding makeup. This one also helps in reducing the appearance of pores and fine lines. So next I'm gonna apply foundation. Here I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This one is best one foundation. So first I'm going to do dot all over my face and neckline area and then blend it very precisely to make it even out. Here I'm using foundation brush. You can use sponge too, और अगर दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं तो हाथों का यूज करें. Now I am done with my foundation. So after all these, I will take my Maybelline Fit Me Compact and using a blush brush, I will make my skin more even by using this compact so that we will get a fine base for our makeup. Now we are done with our base makeup. It's time to do eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I am gonna use the eyeshadow palette by Miss Clear. First, I will apply a base of using a dark shade of sea green color. I will blend it very well from my crease to lash line. So let's do it. After applying sea green base on my left eye, I will move to the right one and apply that color again from my crease to lash line area of our right eye. So let's do it. So we are done with the green base. Now I'm gonna take this light blue color and apply it only on my lash line area. Be careful, don't smudge this color on all over your base or crease line area. And repeat the same process for the second one. So let's do it fast. So we are done with our both the colors and now I will take some yellow color from my palette and apply it only our crease line area. Don't spread it under or above your crease line area. So do the same process for the second eye. After doing eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply mascara on my lashes. Here I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. You can use whatever you want. Just put your mascara and get ready. Do the same for the second eye. So let's do it fast. After putting mascara, I'm gonna use red eyeshadow on my under lash line. For this, again I'm using Miss Clear eyeshadow palette. Again repeat this with your second eye. Now I'm done with my eye makeup. Now we will move to our lips. Here I'm using a local brand lip color which is from my local market. मुझे ये कलर बहुत ही पसंद आया था तो मैंने इसे वहाँ से परचेज कर लिया था just for some change. You can use any other nude shade of brown. After applying my lip color, I'm gonna highlight my cheek, my nose line, my chin area and my forehead. For highlighting purpose, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild highlighter. You can use whatever you have. After highlighting my cheek, I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. Again from my eyeshadow palette. The color I'm gonna use is orange red type. We are done with our sexy makeup look. I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि हम आगे से कोई वीडियो लाए तो आपको सबसे पहले मिले.